bit of much. Let's talk about the customer journey map in the details, right? So the first touch point that the customer normally has with a hotel is while they are searching, while they are pre-arrival. So you have been talking about the website and offline. So let's make it a bit more detailed thing that how the hotels can make the pre-arrival experience better. What are the key touch points apart from the website and the calling, and how they can enhance it? What are the some tips that you want to give away?
You see, the whole idea, if today a hotel wants to come, a customer to come, it's come in a location like Mussoorie, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Hypothetically, I'm just taking
Mm-hmm.
an example. Besides the hotel information, what other information is available? What else what exactly you want
Mm-hmm.
as a customer? What you're looking for is, what are the places of sightseeing there? What is
Mm-hmm.
the destination like? What is the weather like?
Mm-hmm.
How far are these destinations or picnic spots or tourist spots away from the hotel?
Yeah.
What are they famous for?
Mm.
So this not only adds to your what do you call experience, it also adds to your inquisitiveness.
Yes.
Oh, okay, this thing is there. Okay, right.
Yeah.
So in one go, if you're surfing the hotel, you get the entire plethora of information
Mm. Mm.
that you are going to be here for. You can sitting at home, jot down your 2 days schedule. That okay, I'm going to reach there by this time. First day I'm going to go do this. Third day, second day I'm going to do this. So that's what expansion.
Mm.
So
Mm.
rather than going into hotel and wasting time, that okay, should we go here or here? At least you have that liberty to
Yeah.
do that at your convenience.
So basically,
And
from
how does it help you in
yeah.
closing the, if it's a online booking,
Mm-hmm.
how fast is your payment being accepted?
Mm.
How fast is your acknowledgement coming?
Mm.
It doesn't happen that the payment gateway gets stuck and then you paid the money, your credit card is debited, but
Yeah.
your booking voucher has not yet come. So these
Mm.
are small things which the back end of the website has to ensure
Mm.
that the customer who is coming on the website has
Mm.
got a seamless experience.
Mm.
He doesn't leave the website in between. He's not forced to, or the website is not so heavy that it's not loading,
Mm.
and the customer says, "Oh, where I've got stuck."
Mm. 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 So basically, you have to think from the customer's perspective. Be a customer, and,
Absolutely.
and you have to think from his idea that okay, if my hotel is in Mussoorie, then maybe a family person will come. What they would like to do here. So if we provide that kind of experience or that kind of information on our website or on our booking channels or our brochures, then the customer, while they are learning about the destination, they learn about the hotel as well, and they may feel more confident when they see things on our website that okay, if it's coming from the hotel, it has to be authentic. So means the hotel has to
Absolutely.
ensure that it's authentic as and it's correct as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
And
see, I remember some hotels have gone to the extent of writing not only the distances.
hmm,
You see, mostly what happens is you write, okay, from here to here, the distance is X kilometer.
yeah.
But today, hotels have also started writing approximately time
Hmm, to reach.
to reach.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is it being done so?
Hmm,
Is the attention to detail so that you can plan it.
hmm.
You may say 10 kilometers, but it may take 30 minutes.
Yes. Yes. Because every city is different, every city's traffic is different. So some
Yeah,
cities you can reach 10 kilometers in maybe 10 minutes. Somewhere you may have to take 1 hour, like Delhi. You spend 10
exactly.
kilometers, you have to spend nearly an hour.
Absolutely. You land in Delhi and you say a hotel, you have to go. It may take you 35, it will take you maybe 55 minutes.
Yes, yes.
It's the distance is only 20 kilometers.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm.
these small things, help
The customer.
customer,
Yeah.
customer.
And it adds to
They're
their
convenient to the
experience.
customer. Yeah.
Hmm,
So he knows that he'll have to spend 40 minutes between airport and the hotel.
hmm,
So he
hmm,
should
hmm.
not be, getting jittery about it.
Yes, yes. Well, it actually helps enhance the customer value in a way that it helps them to plan the things. And I have seen like Lonely Planet or other websites which they are sharing that how you can get to them, or some hotels are even using like a sample itinerary. if you are staying for 2 days, these are the few things you should be watching in the destination, so that the
Absolutely.
customer who is new to the destination, they have
Absolutely.
a better understanding of what the hotel is. And in a way they are selling their own services, right? They are selling that, okay, you can
Absolutely.
take our cab. So when the
Yes.
hotel is looking at your website and they are checking out the destination in the details, and they are saying, oh, the hotel cab is available. So you are serving both the purposes. One is enhancing the customer value and selling your own products in a subtle way. So you don't
Yeah.
have to
By giving
say,
confidence, by ensuring confidence, giving confidence to the customer.
yes, exactly.
He's
So
in
you're,
safe hands.
it's
He's
not
a
a
new
hard sell.
terrain. He's in new terrain,
Hmm.
but in safe hands.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct.
It's not that he has to drive along the spiral road and get
Hmm.
caught somewhere.
Yeah. So you have touched upon the website and online experience, that we have to give the information. You have to. It has to be fast. It has to be secure. It has to be so the payment. It has to be seamless. The navigation should be seamless, so that the customer don't have to search where is what, and then it should be able to take. Is it the 3D that you touched upon it, 360-degree videos or the virtual tours of the hotel? How helpful are they in reality?
Well, they are. You see, basically, I should say it's the apt use of technology today.
Hmm.
This technology is available, and why should not it be used for the customer?
Hmm.
Ultimately, the whole idea is showcasing your product,
Yes.
showcasing your hotel to a customer.
Hmm.
How do we entice him? So you have to have something different. You have to give him something new into
Hmm.
this time.
Hmm.
But when it comes to offline, now you
Yes.
see most of the bookings have started happening online. But then there are
Online.
a lot of people who do offline booking also.
Still do the offline bookings.
Offline also is very critical now. When you call up the hotel, in how many rings was the phone picked up?
Hmm.
Was it through rings or was it kept on ringing for 2 minutes?
Hmm.
That makes you decide. It gives you an impression, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, why is it taking? Why they're not picking up the phone?
Hmm. Hmm.
So even offline people have to be very very careful.
Yes. Yes.
The person who picks up, what is the warmth of a response?
Yeah.
The caller's voice.
Hmm.
Is it friendly, helpful, or does it feel that there's some burden which has come to him?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Small things, but you see, there's a saying that it all depends how you speak.
Hmm.
Your speak on the telephone, though you can't see the person,
Yes.
but decides makes the other person know that
Hmm.
okay, this fellow is getting he's friendly guy or he's getting angry at that. Why did I disturb him when he was chatting with his friend?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
And then is the caller able to close the deal, close the booking, or is just not interested and talking to him, information giving whatever is being asked, he's responding? No.
Hmm.
The endeavor should be that he should be, if some call has come, he should try to close the booking, sending the payment, get a payment link, get the booking, and close the deal.
Hmm.
That's what the endeavor should be.
Hmm. Hmm.